At Cevado, we recognize you have better things to do with your precious time than hassle with a website control panel that makes managing your site more difficult than it needs to be. That's why we designed our Rocket content management system to be quick and easy. If you're familiar with dragging and dropping and can use a word processor, you can create great-looking content on your web pages at a fraction of the time it takes with other systems. Let's take you through the process. You'll find our control panel intuitive, full-featured, yet easy to use. There are easy ways to add forms, also maps, even photo galleries. Get started by simply clicking on Pages. You'll see many of the page types available, including points of interest, events, and stories. In most cases, you'll be dealing with standard pages. You'll see all of your standard pages here. To create a new page, all you do is click on Add a New Page right here and select Standard Pages. First, you'll want to title your page something simple and descriptive. In this case, we'll title the page Broadway Business Center. Now that our page has a title, it's time to add some content, and we can start building our page by clicking here. What you see here is actually built from these individual blocks that you can edit simply by dropping in your cursor and using the editor like a word processor. We'll talk more about that in a moment. The design toolbar has everything to do with making changes to the look and visual content of the page. These are pre-formatted basic design elements that give you a head start on building your page and work on a basic drag and drop basis. Obviously, each one of these is uniquely different in form and sometimes even in function. Some are just text, while others include spaces for images. And there are modules that perform specific tasks. For instance, this block includes a YouTube video. And if you're a real estate agent, there are even ways to integrate your listings. These all combine to give you powerful possibilities when building your page. As I mentioned, this page consists of pre-formatted design blocks you'll find in the design toolbar. To add a block, you just click and drag any element onto the page where you want it, and you can line it up by using this gray bar and just drop it there. Don't be concerned about the Latin here, it's just placeholder text. Now I want to replace the heading here, so I'll start by removing the text and typing low overhead, high visibility. Obviously the text is too large to fit on one line, but that's easy to remedy. We'll just highlight the text we want to change, and then go over here to the text formatting bar and select header size and then heading 4. That looks good. Changing the text is just the same. In this case, I've already written a blurb and copied it into my clipboard, so I can just highlight the text I want to remove and paste it there. Replacing images is just about as easy. In this case, we'll hover over the image we want to replace and click on the link icon. To select the replacement image, click on this link, and that'll take us to our image library. This is a collection of the images I've already uploaded to be used on the website. If you have an image that you need to upload, you can go right up here and click on this button. For our purposes, the one I want to use is this one, so I'll go ahead and select it and then click on Insert. At this point, you have the opportunity to add a title or even make the image a link. Click on OK, and there it is. It's that easy. Again, each of these design blocks serve a different purpose, but all are designed with the ease of use in mind. By thoughtfully combining these features, you can create great-looking, highly functional pages for your website, and importantly, in a minimum of your precious time. Contact Cevado for more information.